Mga binibini, ginang at ginoo, ang lipad na ito ay pinangungunahan ni Kapitan Collado at unang opisyal Marquez. Ito po si Hanie Lun ang inyong cabin crew in charge. Tayo ay maglalakbay ng humigit-kumulang 5 oras at 10 minuto. Ipapakita po namin sa inyo ang wastong paggamit ng seatbelt, life vest at oxygen mask. Ipinapakiusap po namin na inyong basahin ang safety information card na nasa bulsa ng upuan ng inyong harapan at inyo pong pag-aralang mabuti ang mga labasan para sa sandaling kailangan natin ito. Para sa inyong kapakanan, sundin po lamang ang mga patnubay ukol sa kaligtasan. Kung meron po kayong pag-aalinlangan, huwag po kayong magtubiling lumapit sa amin. Para po sa inyong kaalaman, ang paninigarilyo ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal sa kabuuan ng ating paglalakbay, maging sa loob ng palikuran. Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seat belt. To fasten, push end together. Tighten seat belt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head, take tape around the waist, push end to buckle, and pull tape to tighten. And outside the aircraft, pull inflation tag to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by the means of tubes. Blow to increase air, and push pin inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen mask will automatically draw from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat packet. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide roof. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. Thank you for your attention. We are about to take off.